Hi guys, today we'll see elimination of unit productions. So, as already in the previous classes we have seen how to eliminate the useless symbols from a given grammar, how to eliminate the epsilon productions from a given grammar, and now we'll see how to eliminate the unit productions from a given grammar. What is an unit production? If there is any production of the form a variable producing a single variable, then such production is called as an unit production. So how do we define it? Let G is equal to VTPS be a context-free grammar. Any production in G of the form A produces B is called as a unit production. See, to arrive at the Chomsky normal form, there should not be any unit productions, there should not be any epsilon productions, there should not be any useless symbols. As we know, how is the Chomsky normal form? The Chomsky normal form is A produces BC or A produces A. That is a variable producing, if you remember the things, a variable producing two variables or a variable producing a single terminal. So Chomsky normal form is A producing BC. That is a variable producing two variables or a variable producing a variable, single variable, a variable, sorry, single terminal, it is not variable, single terminal. So if all, to arrive at the CNF form, all the production should be of the form A produces BC or A produces A. If there is any production of the form A produces B, then that has to be eliminated from the grammar. But remember, however, whatever the string it is or whatever the grammar it is accepting, language it is having, same language has to be generated. So after eliminating also, but the meaning of the grammar should not be changed. See here, if you see the, for example, consider this problem. A produces B. There is a production of the form A produces B. It's an unit production. Yes, because there is a production of the form A produces B. So if there is a, consider now B produces AB or B. So here, if this is called as an unit production, this is called as non-unit productions because there is no production of the form a variable producing a single variable. So this is going to be called as unit productions. This is going to be called as non-unit production. How we can do it? We have to replace this B by the non-unit productions of B. See here, in the Abu grammar, as just now I was explaining, A produces B is a unit production and the productions B produces AB or B is a non-unit production. Then we have to replace the unit production by non-unit production. That is A produces B is there. And what we can do is, final grammar we can write is A produces B is replaced by the non-unit productions of B. The non-unit productions of B are AB or B. Now that has been eliminated. See what we'll do is at the end to generate a string, there should be only terminals, but it is a variable. At the end we are going to either replace by AB or B. So that's why what we need to do, we have to replace this non-unit productions by a unit production by a non-unit production so that there are no unit productions in a given grammar. This is how we are going to eliminate the unit productions from a given grammar. See here, we'll see one example. Eliminate all unit productions from the grammar. Do we have any unit productions here? Yes. Which all are the unit productions? B produces C is a unit production. C produces D is a unit production. D produces E is a unit production. We'll categorize into two groups. One is with an unit production and there are non-unit productions. So unit productions are B produces C, C produces D and D produces E. When it comes to non-unit productions, which all are the non-unit productions? S produces AB, A produces A, B produces terminal B, and D produces BC, and E produces D or AB. So the simple way of solving this is, first we'll construct the dependency graph for this. The dependency graph is B is producing, you can see here, if you see here, B is producing C, C is producing D, D is producing E. Check here. First, we'll construct a dependency graph. B producing C, C producing D, D producing E. So, what does it indicate? It indicates that all the non-unit productions of C can be produced by the B. That is, we say it as all the non-unit productions here in the reverse order. The non-unit productions of E can be the non-unit productions of D. D non-unit productions can be the C non-unit productions can be the D non-unit productions. This is how we are going to eliminate. That is B produces C is there. Na? So we are going in the reverse order. What does it indicate here? B is producing C means all the non-unit productions of C can be the non-unit productions of B. So when we say it as C is producing D, all the non-unit productions of D are going to be the non-unit productions of C. So similarly, E, same thing. All the non-unit productions of E are going to be the non-unit productions of D. So first construct the dependency graph. So B producing C, C producing D, D producing E. We have constructed the dependency graph. From the dependency graph, it is clear that D is producing E. So which all are the non-unit productions? See, check here. D produces, these are the non-unit productions, these are the unit productions, what we have seen in the previous step. Now what is there? D is producing E. There is a production of D is producing A. What we'll do, we'll replace this non-unit E with a non-unit productions of E. Which all are the non-unit productions of E? D or A. These are the non-unit productions of E. So what we'll write here? E producing D or A, B is a non-unit production. So what we'll do, we'll replace this D producing E by D or A, B. So we'll get then all the resulting D productions will be D produces BC, because here we have non-unit production. D produces BC, or it is also producing E, right? So E is replaced by non-unit productions of E, D or AB. D or AB. Now the resulting D productions are this one. Now next we have to go to the next one. See here from the dependency graph, C is producing E. What all productions are there? C is producing D. What all are the non-unit productions of D? The non-unit productions of D are BC or D or AB. What we'll do here? C check here. C produces BC is there. So C produces BC or C produces D or AB. That is, we are going to write here C produces, because the non-unit productions of D are C produces, once again students, C produces BC or D or AB. Why this one? Because these are the non-unit productions of D. So the non-unit productions of D are BC or D or AB. So now there is a production of this form, C produces D. So we have to take all the non-unit productions of D. E non-unit productions have become D's non-unit production. Now D's non-unit productions are going to be the non-unit productions of C. So C produces BC or D or AB. From the dependency graph, again it is clear that B is producing C, C is producing D, D is producing E. So here check here, B is producing C. So all the non-unit productions of C are going to be the non-unit productions of B. So which all are the non-unit productions of B? So here, okay, non-unit productions of B are B producing B, it will be there. Now there is a production of the form B produces C. So C's non-unit productions are BC or D or AB. That is BC or D or AB. That is, we can write it as B producing, we can write the grammar as B produces, because already B produces B is a non-unit production, B produces B will be as it is. Then we have to write the non-unit productions of C. These are the non-unit productions of C. That is, we are going to write it as B, C or D or AB. We know these non-unit productions. D non-unit productions are BC or D or AB. BC or D or AB. See here, E's are D or AB. D is producing E, so we got this one. So C is producing D. C is non-unit productions plus non-unit productions of D. The non-unit productions of D are BC or D or AB. This is there. Then B produces C, and B is non-unit productions plus B producing C is non-unit productions. So B producing B will be as it is, and B is producing C. C's non-unit productions are going to be the non-unit productions of B. So here the non-unit productions of B are B produces BC or D or AB. Now the final grammar is S produces AB as it is, A produces A as it is, B produces C is there. We have changed here, B produces C is there, that has been replaced by D or AB or BC, that is non-production of A, B, E. Then C produces D, BC or D or AB. Then D produces E or BC. E has been replaced with the non-unit productions of E and BC as it is. BC as it is. Non-unit productions of E are D or AB. Then E produces D or AB. This is the final grammar obtained after eliminating the unit productions. If you see one more example here, see, eliminate the unit productions from the following grammar. The given grammar is S produces A0 or B, B produces A or 1, 1, A produces 0 or 1, 2 or B. So do we have any unit productions here? First we need to check. Yes, S is producing B. This is one unit production. Then B is producing A. This is another unit production. A is producing B. This is another unit production. So here, first we'll try to construct the dependency graph. S is producing B, B is producing A is producing B. See here, S is producing B, B is producing A is producing B. First, construct the dependency graph. So the non-unit productions are, write the non-unit productions. S produces A0, A produces 1, 1, B produces 1, 1, A produces 0 or 1, 2. Next, according to the dependency graph, S produces 1, 1, go here and check. S produces A0 or B. What are the B's non-unit productions? B's non-unit productions are 1, 1. B is producing A is producing B. So all the non-unit productions of B are going to be the non-unit productions of A. All the non-unit productions of A are going to be the non-unit productions of B, because B is producing A is producing B. B is producing A is, see, this arrow should be this. This is not there. This is not there. So here B is producing A is producing B. All the non-unit productions of A are going to be the non-unit productions of B. All the non-unit productions of B are going to be the non-unit productions of A. So according to that, we'll write here S produces 1, 1, 0 or 1, 2. B produces 0, 1, 2. A produces 1, 1. The resulting final grammar obtained after eliminating the unit productions are, see here, for this you need to remember this one. Here first A0 is there, B is having 1, 1, and B is producing A is producing E, means we are going to get B productions as 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, whereas A productions also 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. So A0 as it is, replace B by 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, and similar in the other case also. So S is producing this one 0. The resulting grammar is S produces A0 as it is. Just now I said B is producing 0, 1, 2, and A is producing 1, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 1, 2. A produces 0, 1, 2, 1, 1. Even B also produces 0, 1, 1, because A is producing B, B is producing A. S is producing B. Here it is. This is one more example. Eliminate unit productions from the following grammar. Here in this grammar, S is producing B. Check here. S is producing B. C is producing D. D is producing E. So here again the same thing. S is producing E. The non-unit productions of B are going to be the non-unit productions of S. Whereas C producing D, D producing E. Non-unit productions of B are A, B, B. So it becomes A, B, B or CA. You can check here. Check here. See here. Yeah, just a simple thing here. If you write S produces AA as it is, because it's an non-unit production. Replace this B's non-unit production. What are the B's non-unit productions? A, B or B? A, B or B. Then CA as it is. CA as it is. Check here. See here. A, CA, A, B or B. A, B, B, CA. Same thing. So similar in the second case, B is producing, one second, the non-unit productions. B is producing, here it is not there. C is producing D, D is producing E. So C is producing D, D is producing E. Non-unit productions of E are going to be the unit productions of non-unit productions of D. So according to that, the E's non-unit productions are AB. D is producing D or AB. So D is producing D as it is non-unit. D or E is there. AB, replace E by AB. We'll get non-unit productions of E or AB. This D as it is. Similarly, C is producing D. The non-unit productions DB is there. DB/D is there. So the non-unit productions of D are AB or BD. If you see the given grammar, it is C slash D is there. C slash D is there. So we'll replace this D by the non-unit productions of D, AB or D, and this DB as it is. So the resulting final grammar without unit productions. Do you have any unit productions check in this grammar? No. Check here. We don't have any unit productions. We are eliminated the unit productions from the given grammar. Okay. I hope it is clear. Thank you. If any queries, you can mail me.